How to log in to Wikipedia account. So if you want to log in to Wikipedia account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar search for Wikipedia login. And after searching, click on the first search. And now to log into your account, go to the upper right corner which says login, and here you have to enter your username and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you can click on forgot your password and then you can reset or recover your password. Or if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can click on join Wikipedia and then you can create your account. So if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and then click here so that you don't need to enter your password the next time you log in. And after entering your username and your password, click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Wikipedia account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.